Ever found yourself staring at a sea of Asana tasks, wishing you could just dump them all into a familiar spreadsheet? Asana is a fantastic tool for project management, but sometimes you just need the raw data in a format that's more versatile, like Excel. So, can you actually convert Asana to Excel? Let's find out. Part 1. The basics. Direct export. Explain that Asana offers a direct export option. Demonstrate how to find and use this feature, highlighting the different export formats available, e.g., CSV, JSON. Discuss the limitations of this method, e.g., limited data fields, no formatting. Third-party apps and services. Introduce the concept of third-party tools. Highlight popular options like Zapier, Integromat, and Unito. Explain how these platforms work, connecting Asana to Excel and automating data transfer. Discuss the benefits and drawbacks of using third-party tools, e.g., cost, complexity, features. Part 2. Advanced techniques. API integration. Explain what an API is and how it can be used to connect Asana to Excel. Demonstrate how to use Asana's API to retrieve data and import it into Excel using Python or other programming languages. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of API integration, e.g., flexibility, technical expertise required, custom scripts and macros. Introduce the concept of custom scripts and macros. Explain how to create custom scripts in Excel to automate data retrieval from Asana. Demonstrate how to use VBA or other scripting languages to fetch Asana data and populate Excel worksheets. Discuss the benefits and drawbacks of using custom scripts, e.g., customization, technical expertise required. Part 3. Best practices and considerations. Data cleaning and formatting. Discuss the importance of data cleaning and formatting before importing into Excel. Explain common data cleaning tasks, e.g., removing duplicates, handling null values. Demonstrate how to format data in Excel to improve readability and usability. Security and privacy. Address concerns about data security when transferring data from Asana to Excel. Discuss best practices for protecting sensitive information. Highlight the importance of using secure connections and encryption methods. Choosing the right method. Summarize the different methods for converting Asana to Excel. Provide guidance on selecting the best method based on factors such as technical expertise, data requirements, and budget. Briefly summarize the main points discussed in the video. Encourage viewers to try out the methods discussed and share their experiences in the comments. Promote other relevant videos or channels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.